Welcome to Chemistry Online Class, Class 12, Volume 1. The first chapter is Metallurgy. Elements may be classified into three types. One is metals, second non-metals, and third one is semi-metals. The main property of metal is shining, sonorous, malleable, and ductile property, which are not found in the non-metals. Some examples for metals are copper, gold, silver, platinum, sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. But copper, gold, silver, platinum, they alone found as a free state in the earth crust. So they are called as native elements. The main reason is less reactive metals. These four metals are less reactive only. Unless sodium, potassium, magnesium, they are highly reactive metals. So always they found as a minerals in the form of oxides, sulfides, sulfates, halides, etc. Now we are coming to know about what is the main difference between minerals and ores. Minerals means the naturally occurring substance which may be formed as an either oxide, sulfide, sulfate, etc. That means the naturally occurring substance we call it as a minerals. Now comes to ores. The percentage of metal found in the ore is very high. For example, bauxite is the chief ore of aluminium and clay is the mineral of aluminium. But in both bauxite and clay, the aluminium is present. In maximum amount, the aluminium is present only in the bauxite. That's why we call it as an ore. And in clay, only a few amount only found. So it is called as a mineral. So we can, another word we can say, all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. I repeat, all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Metallurgical process, that means some highly reactive metals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, etc. they are found in the ore form. So how we can separate that metals? So by three steps, the main important question, it's the important 2 mark also. So what is the metallurgical process for the extraction of metals? First step is concentration of the ore. Second, extraction of crude metal. Crude metal means impure metal. Third, refining of crude metal. So these three steps only involved in the metallurgical process. Concentration, extraction and refining. Now we come to explain concentration. What do you mean by concentration? The removal of gangue particles from the ore is called concentration. Gangue particles means what? Is nothing but rocky impurities. Rocky impurities means rocks, minerals, then dust particles along with some sulfide ore, some oxide ore, etc. We call it as a gangue particles, and also some siliceous particles, silica. Silica is nothing but sand. So gangue means rocky impurities along with the siliceous silica particles, we call it as a gangue. So the removal of gangue from the ore, we call it as a concentration process. Now I am going to explain the first step in the metallurgical process, that is concentration of the ore. In the concentration of the ore, it involves 4 methods are there. Number 1, gravity separation process. Number 2, froth flotation process. Number 3, leaching process. Number 4, magnetic separation process. These 4 processes comes under concentration of the ores. So now I am going to explain about gravity separation process. So the word itself, the meaning is there. Gravity separation. That means the main principle in this process is there should difference in their specific gravity. Each and every particle contain a different specific gravity. For example, a lighter particle means which contains less specific gravity, and heavier particles definitely contains high specific gravity. That principle only involved in the gravity separation process. So this process mainly applicable only for oxide ores. We know oxide ores example, that is Fe2O3, that is hematite, tin stone, bauxite, etc. Bauxite formula we know Al2O3. Here Fe2O3, here SnO2. So there comes oxygen as one of the element. So we call it as an oxide ore. So oxide ore only can be separated by concentrated by gravity separation process. The main principle is difference in their specific gravity. So ore, we know ore which contains metals plus some gangue particle, we call it as impurity. So this impurity is having less specific gravity and the metal particles having more specific gravity. So these two, that means metals plus impurities, the crushed ore, the ore should be have to crushed first. So the crushed ore, that is called as a powdered ore, is treated with a rapid flow of water. That means if water is flowing very fast in a high current of water, we have to pour the crushed ore or the powdered ore. Then due to the difference in their gravity, the lighter sandy particle or the lighter gangue particles are washed away with the water, and the remaining heavier ore particles alone settle down at the top or if you using any blocks. So from this way we can easily concentrate the oxide ores. Mainly gold is used by or concentrated by gravity separation process. Other than gold we can use for hematite ore, for tin-stone, etc. So this is also an important 2 mark or you can ask me 3 mark question. So write a note on gravity separation process. This same gravity separation question may asked on explain hydraulic washing also, because hydra we know water. So using water only we are concentrating. So hydraulic washing or gravity separation process. Now let us come to the second type is froth flotation process. In froth flotation process, froth means foam, nurai, we call it as a foam. So froth flotation process is the second step. So here the main purpose for froth flotation process is separating the sulfide ore. For gravity separation, oxide ore. For froth flotation, sulfide ore can be concentrated by this method. Here we have to take the large tank, the crushed ore particles, the crushed sulfide ore particles, along with we have to add water and pine oil or eucalyptus oil, that we call it as a foaming agent. Once again, large tank we have to take, then crushed ore, that is a crushed or powdered sulfide ore we have to take and mixed with the water and the foaming agent. Foaming agent here pine oil or eucalyptus oil we can use. Then collector, that means after due to the formation for the foam we have to use collector. That main example is sodium ethyl xanthate. This is the chemical we have to use. Sodium ethyl xanthate is used as a collector. Now a strong air, there is oxygen, air will be passed, and this is we call it as stirrer. Stirrer, if you use a stirrer only, the ore will be mixed with the ore. We know it contains sulfide particles as well as metals as well as rocky impurities, etc. fully in the tank. Now if we stir, that means stir in this mixture which contains what? Ore particle, foaming agent and collector, that is sodium ethyl xanthate, all is present here. After passage of oxygen or air, then using the stirrer, it will be stirred for a long time. So after that, a foam will be obtained in the top of the tank. This foam we have to collect it and we have to dry it. So now this particle, here only the sulfide ore particles will be present along with the metal. The rocky impurities are settled at the bottom. Why this alone comes means because sulfide ore it should not soluble with the water. Only the rocky impurities alone mixed with or react with the water and it formed as a settled as a mud or in the form of settled at the bottom. Only sulfide ore only reacting with the pine oil or eucalyptus oil, they form as a foam and we collect as a. Next, in this also we have to use one depressing agent. What do you mean by depressing agent? One agent which will depresses the other substance. Suppose if you want to extract galena, that is PbS, lead sulfide ore. Suppose if it alongs with the zinc sulfide ore means we have to remove the zinc sulfide ore because both contain sulfur. So both are having the sulfide ore. But we want only the lead sulfide means in that case we have to add a depressing agent such as sodium cyanide NaCN or sodium carbonate Na2CO3. If we add this depressing agent, it will react with the zinc sulfide and it forms as a complex. That means insoluble, we know complex salt is always insoluble. So it forms a sodium zincate when zinc sulfide alone is reacting with the sodium sulfide.